Ayo! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. It is officially day 2 of 31 days of FLUTIEWEEN, and that is the best name I could come up with. So maybe we should call you guys the FLUTIEWEENies if you want to be that. Anyways, today we're doing a look from one of my favorite movies ever, which is Beetlejuice. We're doing Miss Argentina. She's like the little blue girl that had her little accident. And if you want to give this video a pre-like and a subscribe, and definitely turn on your notifications because there's videos all month. So let's just jump into it. Right, so first thing we're gonna do is take this teal color. It is a cream paint, so it's basically just like foundation. So just like put that all over with a little sponge, just blend it, bring it down. Her whole body is blue, so that did take a really long time. Now we're highlighting the face. You know, we gotta keep it snatched, and we're just using a white cream paint, so don't powder it yet. Just add the white cream paint on top and everything should blend out fine. Alright, now you gotta powder it or else that shit is gonna be sticky. So when I'm lazy, I literally just dump it. Just dump the powder because you need a lot of it. Also, don't breathe in while you're doing this. Try to hold your breath for sure. Now I'm taking the Kat Von D Super Brow Pomade, and they have all these colors. So her hair is pink, so I'm doing the brows pink. Obviously, you gotta match them. Alright, now we're taking the Blue Moon palette. I love this palette so much. And that shade right there. Now I'm basically just going to be blending it out underneath the lid because I want her eyes to look a little bigger. So just kind of blend it like down. Alright, so this is another cream paint that I'm trying to use as blush and just blend that out. But then I kind of realized it looked a little crazy, so I took the blue again and I'm just kind of blending that out a little bit. So it was a lot. Then powder that, make sure you powder that. Then I'm contouring again with the same blue shadow that I'm using in my eyes because I'm just trying to keep everything cohesive. Now the same blue, we're just gonna blend it out. She is dead, so it doesn't have to be clean. Like, you can just mess it up, just blend it all around. Make sure you snatch that nose for sure. This is still just the same blue color. I'm just contouring the neck so, you know, she looks dead. Just like pop those collarbones out. Alright, now we're doing the outfit, which is really fun. Now we're taking a purple shadow because I wanted her to look, I don't know, dead, bruised, beat up a little. So we're just darkening that a little with a purple shadow. Now, I painted the letters because that seriously took forever. And now I'm just putting like a shimmer on the eyelids just to make her like kind of cute. You want to pop that inner corner because, I don't know, I like how that looks. Now we're taking this red lip liner from Kat Von D. This one's great. Just line those lips, doing extra lips. Definitely overlining a lot. So I'm just filling it in because it looks a lot easier. And then I'm going to take the liquid lip, and it's pink. So I wanted like a mix between pink and red, which is why I filled in the lips. Because now the pink on top is not like too pink. It's not too red. It's not too pink. I think it looks like it's going to match her hair. So I'll just put on some mascara. Alright, grabbing these huge, amazing lashes from Eldora. Love those. I also put on bottom lashes, and then I got this wig. I did cut the bangs, so ignore the crookedness of that, please. And then she has like a little bun, so just kind of style your wig. I gotta make sure I snatch those ears, and then there you go. I added some white contacts. You know I gotta add the white contacts. I mean, it's October, so She is dead, and I hope you guys like it. There it is. Okay, so if you did like it, please smash that like button, subscribe, make sure you turn on your notifications because there is going to be videos all month long, lots of crazy characters, October characters. Go check out my Instagram for all the photos. Also, I'm going to be answering questions on stories, doing lives, stuff like that. If you want to see like really weird, crazy side of me, then check out TikTok for sure. So I will be doing giveaways this month as well in these videos, so you definitely want to check out that. Also, I'm still taking requests for October looks, so if you want to leave a comment, let me know like what's your favorite character? What kind of creepy, spooky Halloween characters do you like? Or just like a normal character that I can make a little spookier. So let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys on Saturday with a really exciting video. Alright guys, bye.